Hello everyone, this is Ahmed here from Tech Day, and today we're gonna make a quick review for the new Huawei phones, which is Huawei Nova 10 Pro, Huawei Nova 10, and Huawei Nova 10 SE. So let's get started. First, we'll talk about the dimension here. We have the Huawei Nova 10 Pro, which it comes with a dimension of 164 mm by 174 and 7.9 mm thickness. But Huawei Nova 10 it comes with 162 mm and 73 mm with 6.88 mm. And Huawei Nova 10 SE it comes with 1.62 mm, 75 mm, and 7.4 mm. So in terms of the size, Nova 10 Pro comes with slightly bigger body here comparing to Huawei Nova 10 and Huawei Nova 10 SE. Plus also, if we talk about the screen size here, so Huawei Nova 10 Pro, it comes with a screen size of 6.78, and Huawei Nova 10 comes with a screen size of 6.67. Same screen size with Nova 10 SE, which is 6.67. And if we talk about the screen resolution, Huawei Nova 10 Pro it comes with 2652 by 1200 pixel, but Huawei Nova 10 comes with same resolution, which is 2652 by 1200. But Huawei Nova 10 SE it comes with 2400 by 1080 pixels. So in terms of resolution, for sure Huawei Nova 10 Pro and Nova 10 comes with high resolutions. So plus also the screen refresh rate, here we have in Nova 10 Pro it comes with 120 Hz refresh rate, same as Huawei Nova 10 as well. So both are coming with the same refresh rate, Huawei 10 Pro and Huawei 10. But Huawei 10 SE it comes with 90 Hz refresh rate. So in terms of playing games or even browsing your phone, so you will feel it's more faster in Huawei Nova 10 and Huawei Nova 10 Pro. And if we talk about screen to body ratio in Nova 10 Pro, here we have 91.10 screen to body ratio, so we have very slim bezels around the screen here. But Huawei Nova 10 it comes with 89.60% screen to body ratio, and Huawei Nova 10 SE it comes with 91.85% screen to body ratio. So in terms of slim bezels, we have these two, Huawei Nova 10 SE and Huawei Nova 10 Pro. It comes with more slim bezels. And if we'll talk about the processor here, Huawei Nova 10 Pro, it comes with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 778, which is 4G. Same as Huawei Nova 10, comes also with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 778, 4G as well. But Huawei Nova 10 SE, it comes with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 680. And all the processor here comes with 6 nanometer. And if we talk about the RAM and the ROM, Huawei Nova 10 Pro and Huawei Nova 10, Huawei Nova 10 SE, all of them comes with 256 GB storage and 8 GB RAM. And you cannot extend the memory here, it's only fixed internal storage, you cannot insert a memory card. And now we're gonna talk about the camera. So with the Huawei Nova 10 Pro, it comes back camera here, it starts with 50 megapixel, which it can record up to 4K video record. And also it has the 8 megapixel ultra wide angle and 2 megapixel depth camera. Same as Nova 10, also it comes with 50 megapixel main camera, which it records up to 4K, and also 2 megapixel depth camera and 8 megapixel ultra wide angle. And this two phone comes with the sensor of RYYB, so the sensor here are very strong. And Huawei Nova 10 SE, it comes here with the amazing 108 megapixel camera, the main one, and 2 megapixel macro, and also it has the 8 megapixel ultra wide angle. And if we'll talk about the front camera here, we have the Huawei Nova 10 Pro. It comes with 2 cameras in the front, which is 60 and 8 megapixel camera. Huawei Nova 10, it comes only with 1 single camera in the front, which is 60 megapixel. And Huawei Nova 10 SE, it comes with 16 megapixel front camera. And by the way, only Huawei Nova 10 Pro, it has the capability of zoom. The camera here, you can zoom in up to 5 times zoom. And the zoom here, guys, are incredible. So you can see all the details. If you will zoom in to your face, you can see all the details without any problem. And once we talk about the charging speed and the battery, so Huawei Nova 10 Pro is the only Huawei device comes with 100 watt super fast charging, which will charge your battery from 0 up to 100% only in 20 minutes. But Nova 10 and Nova 10 SE comes with 66 watt super fast charging. And if we talk about the battery capacity here, Huawei Nova 10 Pro comes with 4,500 milliampere battery. Huawei Nova 10 comes with 4,000 milliampere battery, and Huawei Nova 10 SE also comes with 4,500 milliampere battery. So these two phones, Huawei Nova 10 SE and the Huawei Nova 10 Pro, these two devices coming with the large battery, which is 4,500, but Huawei Nova 10 it comes only with 4,000 milliampere battery. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, just leave your subscription and also like the video. Wait for more videos coming soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.